Hello guys, this is my first video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share. If your face keep breaking out no matter what you try, this video is for you. Let's begin the video. Moving on the first step. Clean skin starts with your diet. Start eating clean, no junk food and avoid sugar as much as you can. And don't forget to drink plenty of water, minimum up to 3 liters per day. Most guys forget this important step to change your pillowcase and bedsheet within 4 to 5 days because a dirty pillowcase and bedsheet can trap dirt and bacteria which can cause more acne and breakouts. I recommend using a silk pillowcase because it's smoother and less likely to trap dirt. Stop touching your face. Every time you touch your face, it spreads more germs and oils. Before touching your face, make sure your hands are clean and neat. Start drinking lemon water. It helps your body to detox from inside and outside and is also rich in vitamin C, which will help your skin to glow. Use the right product. For acne, I recommend a salicylic acid face wash. It helps clean pores and reduce acne 2 times a day. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and share with the bro who need this.